Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the flutter stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, the single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then you're going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, make a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. You're now going to start repeating this sequence. Make a half double crochet into 1 stitch, and then a slip stitch into the next stitch for the rest of your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. So that's 1 chain and then 1 single crochet into each stitch across for row 3. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the flutter stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.